What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the FreeMelon Society. I'm Eli Martyr. Today we're going to be going through some fitness exercises that you can use to increase your body control, all right? The strength and flexibility and mobility of your body, and giving you that next level type of control and strength that we really want when we're talking about being hyper functional, okay? So let's not waste any time. We'll get right into the first one. Now, you have to excuse me, there's a lawnmower going around here, so if it interferes with the audio a little bit, please don't sue me. But all right, let's get into this. So we're gonna go into 4 exercises, all right? So 4 different exercises that are gonna give you that next level type of body control. The good thing about these exercises is that you can do them anywhere at any time. All you need is ground, so you can work on them throughout the day, and they're just going to improve your general level of fitness, regardless of what level of fitness you're already at, okay? Let's get into it. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go into a little bit of a squat, just like this, all right?
1.
Now, what we wanna do is we want to use our muscular control to lower ourselves down into a side support, a tucked side support. So, if I'm going to my left side first, I'm gonna drop my left hand down to the ground. My right hand is gonna come over and a little bit in front of where my left hand lines up. So let's say I line up my left hand with the same line that my foot rests on. My other hand, my right hand, is gonna come probably a little bit further ahead, all right? And I'm going to, at first I can drop my knee down, and I wanna bend my arms and try to come into this position, all right? Your elbow is going to be somewhere in this vicinity, just somewhere along your side. You'll need to experiment with this just to see where your balance lies at. But generally speaking, your elbow will be tucked into your side. Start slowly. See if you can find this position. Here. Tuck your feet. Your head can rest on the ground. And then you'll kick your feet back up, push from your arms, and land back here in this position, okay? Now, what the idea is that you rock into this position, back and forth, back and forth. So I'll show you what this looks like. From here, we reach and push. Reach, push, okay? It's a very athletic, very nimble technique that requires a lot of body control. And of course, we go to the other side as well. So we reach down, come over, find our support. Whoops, a little off balance there. And then push back up into this squat position. You can play with this as much as you like, okay? There are lots of variations here. You get better at it, you can kind of hit different positions, whatever you like, okay? You can even try going forward with this and lower yourself. Anytime you're lowering your body down with muscular control, so I mean, anything, it could be even this kind of thing where you fall into a push-up position, right? From standing, where you're using your body control to lower yourself down. You could even do something where you're going straight forward and just using control to lower yourself down. Those are all very helpful, but this first exercise, we're just going side to side, hitting that tucked position, and then pushing back up, okay? Other side, and then back up, okay? Great exercise for you to mess with whenever you can. Add it to any component of your fitness regime, and it's gonna make some good improvements to your general level of strength and flexibility and body control. The next exercise that we're gonna be doing is very similar, but we're gonna start in a squat, just like this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start in this squat, and we're gonna twist. Let's just say we're going to the left side first. So I'm gonna twist to the left side, pick my foot up, hit that same elbow supported body position I was in before, and touch your leg to the side or in front of you like this. Then bring it back over, push up with our hands, and come back to this squat, okay? So again, we're working on our mobility here as well as our body control. So I'm going to remove my other leg now, get my hands into this position, that same position we were in before, lower myself down so that my leg or my foot touches in front, and then push off, come back here to a squat. You can use whatever progression of this exercise fits your particular level. If you can't get your foot to come all the way around to the front, that's fine, right? You can drop down, lower yourself. If this is all you can go to, then that's fine. And then you try to push and find your way back up here, right? But if I'm gonna work this exercise, it looks something like this. Right? Very nimble, very athletic movement to try on your own. So the third exercise we're gonna do, this one is a leg exercise. What we'll call it is a rolling pistol squat. And the way we're gonna do that is we are going to sit just like this on the floor, gonna roll back to get a little bit of momentum. And then as we roll forward, we'll tuck one leg. Let's just say it's our right leg that we're working with first. And we're gonna use that momentum to try to push off the one leg and get a little bit of air time. Just like that, okay? Just a little bit. And then roll backward. Again, build some momentum, tuck our leg, and that's it, all right? At least that's what you start off by doing. So once again, we roll back, roll forward, tuck our legs so that we're in this seated L position, and we use that momentum to pop up and then lower ourselves back down, back into the roll, okay? Obviously we switch legs whenever we're ready, and we have this nice flowy kind of athletic movement going on. What you can do, whoops, my mic fell out of my pocket here. Now obviously, if you can, when you're ready, you can use this to come all the way up, and then you can come all the way down and continue as you see fit. And so the last exercise that we're going to be doing is a sissy squat, but it's going to be supported by one hand. So we're going to stand sideways just like this, okay? And we're going to pretend that there's a steel rod stuck from our knee all the way to the top of our torso here. And we're going to reach back like this, touch the ground, have our left hand up in this position, and then finish off. Actually, I'll go through that one more time. So let's take this side. So we're gonna stand, okay, in a comfortable position. And the idea here is to keep everything very, very firm and rigid. The only thing that bends is the angle of your knee, all right? But everything up here is very, very rigid. So we're going to, keeping our hips aligned, our chest aligned with our thighs, right? Very, very straight and tense. Reach our arm back, other arm facing forward like this. And we try to use our muscular control to come into this position. And then we try to come back. And of course, we switch sides, do the other side as well, twisting to one side and then the other. Yeah. Just like that. That's it, guys. Four movements that you can incorporate into your workout routine that are going to take your body control to the next level. your body control, as well as your strength and general mobility and functionality, bodily functionality for any athletic endeavor that you want to do in life. Okay, that's going to be it. That's going to do it for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, then make sure to subscribe. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. That always helps me out on the channel. But for now, I'm going to go enjoy the sun, enjoy the day, get some activity in, and have some more fun. Okay, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.